All right, here we are in a gym for a Tuesday workout. This is week 0. It's our active rest week in between our cycles. Maybe more than a week because we've got some time off from work, and I'll have next week I'll work a couple days and then I'll be off. So don't want to start a cycle if I gotta be interrupted by, if we go travel somewhere. So anyway, I'll continue the active rest through our traveling, and then I'll start our cycle up. So anyway, today we've got a stretch routine. It's a yoga routine called Slow Salutation. It's 9 yoga moves, a good stretch routine, nice and slow and deliberate. So you're trying to deliberately get all the stretch in and really work it correctly. So that's what I'll be focusing on. So like I say, it's 9 moves, 2 rounds of those 9 moves, so 18 total. So anyway, so we've got that stretch routine, and then we'll head out on a walk. Probably will. Yesterday I jogged about a quarter mile. I'll at least do the same thing today, maybe a little more, probably the same. Not sure yet, we'll see. So anyway, we've got this routine, and we'll get her going. So welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's do this. Let's hit it. All right, so the old slow salutation is done. It was a great stretch, nice, slow, deliberate stretches. Yeah, all 18 poses were great. The high lunge pose, where you raise your arms in the lunge pose, that one there, I'm trying to get deeper and deeper. I've gotten pretty deep, and I just about got my knee to the ground. I'm anxious to see what that looked like on the film. Not for the first set, not for the first left knee forward or left leg forward, but at the end of the first round, I think starting with that one, I got a little lower, and then the last 2 for sure. But anyway, yeah, no, that went well. I actually jogged 3 quarters. So walked a quarter, jogged a quarter, walked a quarter, jogged a quarter, and then walked a little less than a quarter and jogged a quarter, and then walked the rest of the way in. Got a good. So that seems to be working out pretty good so far. So I'm gonna try to pick up the pace a little bit. Don't remember what my pace was. I think right at 13-minute miles was my mile pace. Didn't really look at the intervals, what the pace was for each interval. So actually I did. I looked at mid-6s, 620s, under 620 I think once. So yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at on my jog. So that went well. Yeah, so we're good. And we'll be back out tomorrow for another. We'll be doing the same thing, some stretch routine. I'll be hitting the next one in order, whatever the next one is. And we'll do the same jog routine. We'll see what we can get going. So yeah, no, it's feeling good to get some rest in, a little bit of recovery. The jog is getting me some respiratory work, so that's good. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Tuesday. Get some longevity training in, folks, so you can meet age with grace. Go do it, folks. Go get it. This is Sojourner Vision. We're out of here, man. You guys take care and be safe. See ya.